Good afternoon, class. My name is Marwina Bara. So now, I will discuss about techniques and dealing with answer. Here's some of techniques answering the questions. Number 1 is active listening. Active listening have a focus on the answer and clarify when needed and summarize. And next one is avoid interrupting. So, let's start. Focus on the answer. Focus on the answer meaning pay attention to what the person is saying, not just the word, but also the tone and body language. So, you need to understand what the answer of your student, and i-understand mo din kung ano yung kung paano siya mag-deliver and her actions para maintindihan mo kung ano talaga yung pinupoint niya. Yes. And next is clarify when needed. Means if you are unsure about a part of the answer, ask for clarification. So kung hindi mo naintindihan yung answer ng student mo, ask her the clarification. For example, you say, please, can you elaborate your answer? Ganon, para mas maintindihan mo kung ano yung pinupoint niya. So, next one is summarize. Summarize means, after the person finish, briefly rephrase what you heard to ensure you understood correctly. So, here, you need to summarize the answer of your student and ask her kung yun ba yun ang pinupoint niya. Para mas maintindihan mo din kung yung answer niya. Then, next is avoid interrupting. Let the person finish their thoughts before responding. Siyempre, di ba, pag student ka, pag nagtanong yung yung teachers mo, siyempre kailangan mo siyang patapusin para mas maintindihan mo yung tanong at makapag-answer ka din ng maayos at makakuha ng tamang sagot. So, yun. Then, number 2 is responding appropriately. So, we have acknowledge the answer. Show you've heard and understood the response. So, dito, kung sa tingin mo naman tama yung sagot ng student mo, you will say na, thank you for information or that interesting perspective. So, para naman malaman nila na tama yung sagot nila at mas mamotivate sila lalo. Then, second one is be respectful. So, kung nirespeto ka ng student mo, you need to respect them too. So, 'di ba? Pag mali yung answer ng student mo, you will say na lang na okay, sit down, thank you for trying, and nahanap ka ng ibang student na sasagot sa tanong mo at kung saan makukuha mo yung tamang sagot. So, the next one is provide your own perspective. So, share your thoughts and insight but avoid dominating conversation. Okay, you can share your thought, you can share your idea or opinion, but avoid dominating conversation. So, ganun yung provide your own perspective. And the last one is be open to learning. Be willing to change your mind to presented with new information. So, kahit hindi nakuha ng student yung pinupoint mo, pero nag-answer siya in different way, kukonsider mo pa rin na tama siya, pero in different way nga lang. Ganun siya. And that's all. I hope you understand my topic and thank you for listening.